Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here and Arry himself. Good morning, Arry.
Morning all.
Morning all. Big red letter day today. We've not really revealed much about this before, but as many of you know, Arry has had an MG BGT for quite some time now, haven't you?
Yeah, for a while. 3 years now?
3 years now, something like that. And over recent months, Harry's decided he wanted to get it full body resprayed, so has slowly been taking it to bits. Mostly in the evenings and at weekends whenever you could, which was really good. And he's now got it down to a body shell. I've had no input on this whatsoever, so it's all down to Arry. And we're just picking up now because we're following the truck down to Alan's, who's going to be re-spraying it over the next few weeks. It's going to be a quick turnaround, a rolling project, and we just thought we'd share with you this bit of a journey, bit of posterity as well, and we can see how it goes, can't we?
See what the end result is.
What colours are going to be?
It's staying red.
Staying red, yeah.
Silver flake that's going into the paint.
Yeah. Okay. Howdy, brilliant red, is that right?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah.
It's the paint originally that was going to be used for the Stag. So
The UNY, yeah. Hopefully we'll see UNY this morning as well. It's probably the earliest we've ever been to Alan's, isn't it?
yeah, hopefully he's there.
Hopefully he's there. Yeah. If not, we're going to leave it in this car park. But there you go. So happy days, Arry the Stag. Right, Arry. So what have you been doing? Tell us about your car.
It's stripped down. In the process of going for paint. Oh, about to go for paint.
Stripped down, to say the least. It's taken him weeks and weeks to do this. As you can see,
It's nearly there.
no windscreens,
Soon it will be a shiny red.
no lights. It's going to be what? Shiny red. Admiral brilliant red. Even Audi brilliant red. And here comes Arry's mate to come and take it down to Alan's. You did have the idea of driving down with goggles, didn't you?
Yeah.
Because technically it still will work with batteries inside it. But as you can see, it wouldn't exactly be street legal. So the plan is that Alan will get hold of this and go through it. You got new panels, Harry, haven't you? Front valance. Are they? Are they in there? Oh, your car. Okay, fair enough. So you got new wings, because some of these wings are pretty knackered. New front valance going on, because there ain't one at the minute. Okay. And you can see the Webasto came off, but look what was left behind. All sorts of horrors that were lurking underneath. Yeah. So it's off to Alan's. I understand this is going to be a fairly quick turnaround. And UNY will be coming back home, not today but fairly soon, so we'll film that coming back. Definitely a complete car, Arry, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
I was just deciding whether or not we can salvage this wing and use cut-offs of the other one.
Right, yeah. See what Alan reckons. So it's been towed up now.
So it's the first time since I've had it that it's been on the truck.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. It's been done before, isn't it? It was well sorted when...
It's been, yeah. Fine enough to leave it.
Oh well, Alan can do that.
There's a few bits I've gone,
Yeah. There's some rust under there. Well, overall it's not a bad car, it just needs tidying up. So Harry's just decided to split it all to bits. This will be a running shell. Engine's still in, everything still works. Just obviously as many parts off the car as possible for Alan then to do his business on the bodywork, keeping costs down and hopefully speed up, unlike UNY, which has taken the best part of 4 years. So off to Alan's very shortly. So farewell MG BGT, off to Alan's. and we're going to follow it down for the reception committee down the road. Happy days. Yeah, so 8 o'clock in the morning, well actually 20 past 8 in the morning. We're not even sure Alan's there, but anyway, we shall see.
The gate will be open.
The gate will be open, at least we can leave it there, check out what's going on. I'll be very surprised if he is there actually. But fair play to the bloke, he works hard, long hours, weekends, so he's a good boy. The gravel track. Horses all been fed. Let's out.
ST's there, so he could be there.
Okay.
So he's probably going to be on one of his bikes, so I just have to leave it.
Here's the next project. Right, we are here. Let's go and see if we can receive the car. Yep, he's up with us. We haven't lost him. Here he is.
Put it next to this one here. That's another one of ours.
Alright, okay. Which way do you want it into? Doesn't matter.
It won't matter to him. He's going to go into there.
Okay.
No, he might be on his bike, to be fair.
Yeah. Safely arrived. So this is one of the new panels. So where'd you get the panel from, Harry?
That one's an original, so that was just off eBay.
Was it? Yeah.
75 quid.
And that one you got a front balance there as well.
That's MG Hive.
MGB Hive. Some good panels there have come in.
I'll leave it here for a second.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. What was the most difficult bit of taking it all apart, Harry?
Wasn't one really.
No?
Pretty much. Just screws and bolts, isn't it? There's nothing dramatic on this at all.
No. How many hours do you reckon it took you?
10.
10 hours? That's not bad, is it?
Doesn't take long.
No. I like this, unlike UNY, it's a rolling restoration, so hopefully you'll be able to screw stuff back on, either reconditioned or new. And then you got some decent panels there with that wing. That was a good deal. Well, how much was that wing?
75 quid.
It's not bad, is it?
No.
Largely together. Needs a little bit of work, but not a lot. It's a lot more structural than the one that's come off the car,
Yeah.
or will have come off the car.
It's coming off.
Because they do rust out. They're not only in the headlamp bowls, which we've looked at just now before we came down, as we can see there, but also whereabouts. Yeah, we've got a leak, haven't we, in there on the A-pillar, which isn't so good. And these come off as well. So all the mud and rubbish ends up top of this wing here, and of course that's where they rust. What colour was that originally, do you reckon?
I think it was originally red.
Was it? Looks like a pimento to me. Similar to the Stag, like an orangey red.
Be a bit dark in there.
Yeah, look nice when it's done.
It's annoying as well because they're the 4 studs for where the Webasto go through.
Yeah. That is horrible. Well, it hasn't gone through.
No.
It's mostly surface, is it?
No, it's a bit more than surface.
A little bit.
It's a little bit that stuff down there.
No, most of it can be treated with Genolite.
Yeah. And then the one bit I have found, which I put the panels in the way.
Oh, I see the dent you're on about in the door.
That's the dent in the door.
That's where someone else has opened their car door.
Yeah, nice, isn't it? Front balance. Front balance, fitting kits, that side of it. I need all the fitting kits for the wings, so I guess you can have them on.
Yeah.
So this is a replacement for the front.
Yeah. That
Yes.
makes life easier.
Round the headlight there.
Yeah, I
On
can
that
see it.
one
I
as
did
well.
see it, didn't
Yeah.
I? It wasn't exactly being subtle.
And then there's all of that bit there. And I'm not sure how good this one is around the bottom.
That's actually not too bad.
Looked alright, didn't it?
But
Repairable.
yeah,
Yeah, see, this one's gone right through.
yeah. So
Well, the wing.
if you need
Yeah,
the other
absolutely.
side, just let me know.
that side I should be able to repair
That there,
because you've got the bezels.
these.
Yeah.
Oh, two. Because I couldn't. I put that away in the garage. I just couldn't remember what they looked like for the life of me. So they're for right there.
Yeah.
The other part is up in this rear left corner, rear right corner. If you have a look in there, it's all a bit fillery.
Let's have a look.
Finger through, and there's a hole.
Oh, right. I see. It's not filler. That's seam sealer.
Okay. Yeah.
Someone's tried hiding it. That's going to be a deal.
Yeah. That bit doesn't have to look pretty, obviously. That's covered with carpet. That's why I only just found it. It's all covered with carpet, little stuff with it.
This side's all right.
That side's alright. Yeah. That is the
Got no
worst
windows.
I've found, to be fair.
It's actually quite a solid shell.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's been done before, we reckon.
Yeah, I think she's.
Oh, most definitely.
She's been
Yeah.
looked after.
Bits of it have been done before.
Yeah,
The boot floor is original.
yeah.
It's never been touched. And that actually goes part way to answering my question. Obviously, this has got paint under these hinges.
Yeah.
So at some point, someone goes round and paints the bloody fitting. It'll be the same on the doors and things like that.
Yeah. The doors are solid. I've left the latches in them and stuff like that. So
Yeah, no, that's fine.
open them from the inside, mate.
Yeah.
In terms of like how for like paint wise, just literally up to that line.
It will literally. I'm not going to be going in.
No,
with
that's
it.
fine.
And that bit inside the boot floor, I will put paint on it, but
Yeah.
bear
Like,
in mind it's going to be the wrong colour.
yeah. I don't care. Because again, you're not going to see it,
No.
are you? So
And again, with regards to this, I'll spray colour into there.
yep. That's fine, mate. Because I'm not even worried about like under here and stuff like that. Because all of this, that's clean, and if
Yeah.
all of this matches all of that,
Yeah.
it'll look,
Yeah.
it'll look better than if that's a different colour to
Yeah,
in there
precisely.
and stuff like that. But when it's
The engine's quite tidy, isn't it? Alright guys, so mission accomplished in Arry.
all dropped down safely,
MG down at Alan's, he reckons on about
about a month.
4 weeks or so. So
That should be it.
he'll be sending us loads of photographs, and I'm sure we'll be down to video as well to see progress. But yeah, looking good, mate.
We'll go from there.
Yeah, exciting times. Good stuff. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this week's video. As I say,
Adventure.
hey, this week's adventure, absolutely. Always good to share the classic stream, and in this case the Triumph Stag support vehicle, MG BGT. So well deserved of a restoration. I'm sure it's going to look fantastic when Alan's worked his magic. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Feel free to, as ever, like, share and subscribe. Check in for our badge of honour, and also our Arry's Saturday Sockets email on Saturday. If you're not there, get online and get signed up. It'd be really good. Alright guys, that's it for this week. Have a great week wherever you are, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag
Very soon.
very soon. All the best. Cheers for now. Bye.